Okay, ladies, for your next task, I am going to show you how to enter a retail order. You log into 31today.com and click on Virtual Office. This will pull up your virtual office. There are two ways to enter the orders. There's through parties, where you click on Parties, Open Parties, and then pick a party and a new order. Or if you have a retail order, you just go to Orders, over here to Open Orders, New Order. Let's just say my mama's wanting to buy something. And that's not my mama, but that's okay. So save. Oh, it's going to warn me, which is awesome. And then what I would do is I could either select Party Order, Retail Customer Order. That's what I want. Save and continue. And let's say I don't quite remember the number for the display bin. I don't hardly know any of the numbers anymore because we can type in words in this wonderful search feature. Find what I want, add to cart. I'm going to view the cart. And of course, on this kind of a sale, I would say, oh, don't forget to get yourself a key fob for $5, and then you can get a purse half off. But let's just say they just wanted the display bin. Then you click on Begin Checkout. And it's a retail order, so it's going to direct ship. And it's showing you the $30 that the item is. That's the PV that counts towards your sales and all of your incentives. And then with tax and shipping, here's the total. So to put in their payment, let's say they give you their card number. You just select from the drop-down menu, New Customer Credit Card, enter all of their information, and then their zip code, and save payment. Now let's say they wrote you a check or gave you cash. What I like about this option is you can go to your card on file, since they already paid you, and pay with your card. Once you have done that, you click on Submit Order. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions, and once you have watched this, please do me a favor and comment done.